How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a hernia in your belly button. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I actually have a hernia in my belly button, believe it or not. My belly button does have a hernia in it. My belly button, instead of it being pushed inwards like a lot of people in inward belly button, my belly button goes outward. And I talked to the doctor about this when I was younger. I'm like, hey, why does my belly button doesn't look the same as other people's? Why doesn't it look the same as my brother or my dad or my uncle, stuff like that? Why doesn't it look the same as these other kind of people? And they're like, oh, doctor's like, hey, you have a hernia belly button in your belly button. And I'm like, oh, okay. Basically, I was born with this. It was nothing that I did. I did not cause this. Generally, most people that have hernias in their belly button, it's caused at birth. It's not really your fault. So don't get mad at yourself. Don't think that you were the one that caused this. How can we actually get rid of this? Now, this is kind of tricky because, again, this was something that was caused at birth. Generally, you may have caused it yourself. So what you want to do, the main thing to get rid of this is obviously surgery. Nothing is going to be more effective than surgery. What you can do though, because what a lot of people want to do is they don't like how it looks. That's kind of a reason why to get rid of it. Now, another reason to get rid of it is if you're experiencing pain. Now, if you're experiencing pain because of the hernia in your belly button, then you need to go to the doctor immediately and they will do stuff to fix it. There should never be pain from a hernia in your belly button. If there is, you need to get that checked out immediately. So go do that right now if that's what's happening. Now, if you're doing it for cosmetics, which a lot of people do, then what I recommend doing is to get a six-pack. Get six-pack abs. When I got my six-pack abs, I have never, ever heard anybody comment on my belly button saying, hey, you have a hernia in your belly button. Never, ever, ever, ever. Why? Because they're fixated on your abs. They're like, holy crap, that dude's abs are chiseled. So again, if anything's ever bothering you in your appearance, what you need to do is you need to take the focus off of that main point and put the focus on something else so people will not notice it. It's the exact same thing if people ask me, hey, I got an ugly chin, or I got a big nose or big ears. If that's happening, then do something with your hair. Make your hair look insanely good. And then the first thing people will notice, they'll be like, whoa, dude's got really sweet hair. That's just what I recommend doing. But again, for the hernia, to get rid of it, cosmetic-wise, I would try to get a six-pack. If it's causing you pain, go to the doctor. Surgery may be an option. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.